Hello guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to download and install original and authentic WhatsApp app for Windows 11 or Windows 10. For downloading WhatsApp app, you have to go to the search bar and write Microsoft Store. Double click on it. Then search bar write or type here WhatsApp, then click on it, then wait a few seconds. After fully download, it will automatically start to install. Click open, right click on that WhatsApp icon, then pin to text bar, then maximize the window. After that, click get started. Now follow the step. Open your mobile, then link a device, type your mobile password, then continue, then OK. Scan the QR code. If your mobile is iPhone, see the step. Wait a few seconds for downloading recent message from your mobile. Now if you want to personalize your WhatsApp app, you have to click settings, then personalization. You can search dark theme from here, then OK. Then if you want to change the set wallpaper, you can change it from here. You can change text size. Now if you want to change the call sound, you can change it from here. Now if you want to stop automatic download, I'm selecting only audio will automatically download. It will save your storage. If you want to change the language, you have to select system default, then your language, then OK. You are seeing that the language has been changed from English to Bengali. Now I am changing again into English. Now if you want to try to change your if you want to change your name and about option, you can change it from here. Finally you can log out. So that's all. Thanks for watching.